In the first part of the derivatives, we have found out the 13 formulae from the first principle. Now let's see how to use these 13 formulae when the terms of x are separated by plus, minus, multiplication or division sign. U and V are functions of x, means terms of x. So first formula, derivative of ku is k du by dx. इसका मतलब x के टर्म के साथ अगर कांस्टेंट आया तो कांस्टेंट को बाहर निकालो और x के टर्म का डेरिवेटिव ले लो. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u प्लस और माइनस v इज du by dx प्लस और माइनस dv by dx. इसका मतलब when the terms of x are separated by plus or minus sign, take the derivative of individual term. Derivative of uv, u dv by dx plus v du by dx का मतलब when the terms of x are separated by multiplication sign, पहला टर्म दूसरे का डेरिवेटिव प्लस दूसरा टर्म पहले का डेरिवेटिव. डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u अपॉन v, v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square, means if the terms are separated by division sign, then denominator derivative of numerator minus numerator derivative of denominator upon denominator square. So we'll see the sums now based on this formula. See how to apply the first two formulae. This is the function where the terms of x are separated by minus or plus sign. Also the term of x is combined with constant. x को छोड़ के जो भी टर्म्स है वो कांस्टेंट टर्म्स है. Now see, this is the problem. Now I start taking derivatives. Terms are separated by plus or minus sign. So take the derivative of individual term. Derivative of ku, k बाहर आ जाता है. 7s come out. Derivative of x raised to 5. Derivative of x raised to 4. 4 has come out. Derivative of x raised to 3 by 2. 8 has come out. Root of x मतलब x raised to 1 by 2. Laws of indices apply करेंगे तो x raised to minus 1 by 2. Minus 4 has come out. Derivative of sec x. So here I have applied the first two formulae. Now I will apply my 13 formulae. x raised to n का formula apply कर रहा हूँ. देखो 7 बाहर है. x raised to n का डेरिवेटिव n x raised to n minus 1. मतलब 5 x raised to 4. x raised to 4 का डेरिवेटिव 4x cube. x raised to n का ही फॉर्मूला फिर से अप्लाई किया. 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 मतलब 1 by 2. 8 has come out. x raised to minus 1 by 2 का minus 1 by 2 x raised to minus 3 by 2. And sec x का डेरिवेटिव sec x tan x. मतलब पहले 4 टर्म्स पे मैंने x raised to n का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर दिया. Now here it is a simplification. 7 5s are 35 x raised to 4 minus 4x cube. ये कट होके 2 2s are and 2 3s are 6 x raised to 1 by 2 मतलब root of x. ये हो गया आपका minus 4 x raised to minus 3 by 2. नीचे आके x raised to 3 by 2 का मतलब x root x. x raised to 3 by 2 मतलब x root x. x raised to 5 by 2 का मतलब x square root x. और ये minus 4 sec x tan x. So is the concept clear how I have applied the first two formulae? Now we'll see how to apply derivative of uv. Here y is equal to x plus 2 the whole square sin x. Now here the terms of x are separated by multiplication sign. So we'll apply uv, that is product rule. तो पहले I will expand this as a plus b the whole square. y is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 into sin x. बच्चों डेरिवेटिव ऑफ uv का मतलब क्या देखो. first term derivative of second term plus second term derivative of first term. You understood how I have applied UV? पहला टर्म दूसरे का डेरिवेटिव प्लस दूसरा टर्म पहले का डेरिवेटिव. ये फर्स्ट टर्म एज इट इज, sin x का डेरिवेटिव है cos of x. Now sin x as it is, यहां मैं u प्लस v का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करूंगा. x स्क्वायर का डेरिवेटिव लेते समय x रेज टू n का फॉर्मूला 2x. 4 has come out, x का डेरिवेटिव 1, कांस्टेंट का डेरिवेटिव 0. तो आपका फाइनल आंसर क्या आ गया देखो, x स्क्वायर प्लस 4x प्लस 4 cos x प्लस 2x प्लस 4 पहले लिख देता हूं, 2x प्लस 4 sin x. So that's your final value of dy by dx. So in this sum I have taught you how to apply UV, that is product rule. Now in the next sum we'll see how to apply U upon V. Y is equal to x minus 2 upon tan x. Numerator का term we'll take it as U and denominator का term we'll take it as V. तो derivative of U upon V is V du by dx minus U dV by dx upon V square, मतलब tan x the whole square. ये समझ में आया बराबर से? देखो फिर से, v du by dx minus u dv by dx upon v square. Now I will take the derivative of individual term. x का डेरिवेटिव 1 minus constant का डेरिवेटिव 0, x minus 2 as it is, tan x का डेरिवेटिव 6 square x. आपका डिनोमिनेटर का tan square x as it is. So your final answer is tan x minus x minus 2 6 square x upon tan square x. So you understood how I have applied the quotient rule, बोलते इसको, u upon v. Clear? So here we have completed the treatments of algebra of derivatives, where I have taught you how to apply the 4 formulae. If you like, please share and subscribe.